This is the new 2020 Manac Combo Drop Deck Trailer available at Midco Sales. This drop deck measures 53 feet long. It has an air ride suspension with a rear sliding axle. The trailer is California legal with the axle slid to the forward position. The deck is aluminum with Apatong nailer planks. Each side of the trailer has sliding winch tracks with 10 winches on each side. A coil package allows this drop deck to haul steel coils up to 45,000 pounds. The outer wheels are aluminum and a toolbox is mounted on the road side of the trailer. Midco Sales is a Manac trailer dealer. Visit midcosales.com for more information on their line of drop deck and flatbed trailers.